Hello class 12, let's continue the class with aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids. So today's class is about cross condensation mechanism of acetaldehyde and propanol. CH3CHO plus CH3CH2CHO. First four products will be obtained, as I have explained in the last class. Four products will be obtained. Two are from self condensation and another two are from cross condensation. So first I am considering self condensation. Self condensation of acetaldehyde. So self condensation of acetaldehyde, you know, this product, first product, number 1, this is the self condensation product. Self condensation of two acetaldehyde molecule, first one. Second type is self condensation of two propanol molecules. Self condensation of two propanol molecules. This one is the first anion formation. Next is the attack. Linkages between this carbonyl carbon, this one, and this CH2, and remaining is this one is CH2, yes, CH3CHOH. This one is this one. After the attack of this anion, this carbon atom has been converted into opening, so OH group. So CH3CHOH, CH2, C double bond OH. Again CH3, this one has been opened, so CH, OH, next is CH2, C double bond H. Next is condensation between, self condensation between propanol. Self condensation is CH3, CH2, CHO. As I have said, this one is alpha, this one is beta. So proton will always be abstracted from this alpha position. So CH3, CHH, CHO, OH minus will abstract this alpha proton. Don't consider this beta, only alpha. So CH3, CH minus, CHO. Next, anion has been produced. Next step is the attacking step to another molecule. CH3, CH2, CH double bond O. This anion will attack the aldehyde directly. So CH3, CH, CHO. CH2. Sorry. Connection is between this and this. CHOH, CH2, CH3. You better write it like this. So CH3, CHO. So this carbon is this. CH, CHO, CH3. This carbon atom is attacking this carbon. So it is going to be CHOH, CHOH, CH2, CH3. Again, this is this carbon. Methyl group, CH group, CH group with this carbon. Okay. Next, it is attacking this carbon, CHOH. It is opening and CHOH, CHOH. Next is CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. Like this. Self condensation product number 2. Third is cross condensation. Cross condensation. So cross condensation giving two products, that is between this and this. So the difference is that where the first step anion will be formed, where the first step anion will be formed here or here. Where? So first I am considering that anion in abstracting this proton. OH minus, it will abstract. So CH2 minus CHO. So first condition I am applying, that is abstraction of this proton from acetaldehyde, and it will attack cross means it will attack another molecule that is different, that is cross. If it attacks the same molecule of acetaldehyde, that is self condensation. But if after generation of this anion it attacks another different molecule, that is propanol, that is cross condensation. So CH3 CH2 CH double bond O, opening. So CH3 CH2, this one has been opened, so CHOH, connection of this carbon and this CH2, this one is CHO. So alpha beta hydroxy aldehyde, this one is third cross condensation product, and coming from cross condensation product. Okay, so again CH3 CH2, it is opening, so CHOH CH2 and CH2, like this. Okay, next cross condensation where the anion will be formed. Next cross condensation where the anion will be formed here, not here. So abstraction of proton from propanol. First one was the abstraction of proton from acetaldehyde. Next type is abstraction of proton from propanol. CH3 CH CHO. So now base is abstracting the proton from propanol, and cross means this anion will attack another molecule that is different, and the different molecule that is present here is acetaldehyde. So this anion will attack another different molecule, and here it is acetaldehyde. So attack, right? So next is CH3. This carbonyl has been opened, CHOH. So CH, and after opening this one going to be OH. Connection is between this and this carbon. This carbon is this. Okay, this carbon is CHOH, a connection between this and this. So CH, this one is CH3, and after this one is CHO, like this. So this one is product number 4. So self condensation giving 2 types of products, and cross condensation giving another 2 products. So 4 types of products we are getting by the cross aldol condensation. So in this type of cross condensation reaction where both the molecules have alpha hydrogen atom, that is not suitable for any reaction, because cross products are, if cross products we are getting, then our desired product we are getting in low yield. Okay, we are not getting our desired product particularly because of this cross condensation reactions. So this type of cross condensation reaction where both the molecules have alpha hydrogen atom are not very good reactions actually. So we can apply this cross condensation reaction in a different method where one molecule will have alpha hydrogen atom and the other molecule will have no alpha hydrogen atom. That thing we will discuss in the next class. That is how we can apply this cross condensation reaction to get a better yield of our desired product. This type of reaction where we are getting 4 type of products, that is not very good. Okay, yield will be low for each and every product. That is not suitable reaction. So application of or utility of cross aldol condensation reaction we will discuss in the next class.